How to add a custom camera watermark in picture in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open camera, click on four dots more option, click on settings, click on watermark. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, watermark will be turned on from your phone. Now click on custom text, click on edit. Now write text that you want. Now click on save. And if you want to add only date, then turn off time. And if you want to add only time, then turn off date and turn on time. And if you want to add both, then turn on date and time. Now go back. After that, take picture. Now open picture. Here you will see add custom text, time and date. This is how you can add a custom camera watermark in pictures in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.